we're going to talk about the science behind aging of the skin around your eyes, an area specifically known as the periorbital skin. We're going to learn about how effective dermocosmetic ingredients can target hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, laxity, dryness in this delicate eye area, effectively leading to a more refreshed, radiant, and youthful appearance. Now, it is often said that the eyes are the windows to your soul. Psychologists tell us that the tiny movements and the lines around our eyes actually are known as micro-expressions, and these cue us to authentic emotion when we perceive individuals. And sometimes we use that together with the rest of our body language assessment to judge whether an individual is being genuine, sincere, and hence whether they are likable to us. Now, this is very relevant because wrinkles are not exactly due to overuse of your facial muscles per se, or just having facial expressions in general, which are part of human behavior. But rather, it's important to understand that static wrinkles develop in individuals who exhibit signs of skin aging because of thinning of the dermis, which is the layer between the epidermis, the topmost layer where you see superficial wrinkles, and the muscle layers separated obviously by fat as well as other structures. So when you are trying to reverse or prevent the signs of static wrinkles on your skin, especially the periorbital skin, you have to address the health of the dermis. This is precisely the reason why in my practice, I advocate the use of dermocosmetic skincare, especially for the delicate periorbital skin, for the best natural looking result. If you can avoid using injectables, if you start on your anti-aging regimen early enough before the static wrinkles develop, that is the ideal scenario. So what makes up an ideal eye cream? First of all, it should have the basic moisturizing function to ensure that it can repair the skin barrier. Secondly, there should be the presence of antioxidants in the formula so that it can help to repair oxidative stress caused by UV damage, external environmental factors such as pollution, as well as eye fatigue. And additionally, it can also contain ingredients that help to stimulate collagen production in the dermis, ensuring that there is enough elasticity and plumpness to prevent the development of wrinkles. Above all, a good eye cream must be able to be tolerated by the delicate under eye area. The Perfect Renew Youth Regenerating Eye Cream has been perfected by LANEIGE to contain these elements of an ideal eye cream. First of all, it contains a highly moisturizing base of phytoceramides, which are plant-derived ceramides like shea butter that mimics the skin's natural lipid ratio. In addition, it contains acerola extract, which is more potent than vitamin C and helps to repair the signs of oxidative stress and can lead to skin brightening and increased radiance. It also contains glutathione, which firstly engulfs these free radicals, the primary cause of free radical damage that occurs during skin aging, and also helps to block pigment production, a process known as melanogenesis, by inhibiting the enzyme tyrosinase. And finally, it also contains adenosine, one of my favorite ingredients, which has a direct anti-wrinkle effect It targets crow's feet, for example, and is also very well tolerated while stimulating collagen production in the skin. Finally, I have some lifestyle tips which I hope can help you prevent premature aging of the periorbital skin. Firstly, avoid tugging or constant friction around this delicate eye area. So wiping off your mascara or eye makeup can be one of these activities that increase friction around the eye area. The same with wearing contact lenses. So try to not tug your under eyelid too much when you're trying to put in your contact lenses. Over time, all these mechanical factors can increase laxity of the under eye skin. Also, external factors such as environmental pollution, UV damage, eye fatigue, constant exposure to computer screens, all this can also increase the overall fatigue of the eye area and can lead to accelerated aging via oxidative stress.